The future of industrial efficiency with the WD5, Newland's cutting-edge industrial smartwatch. We're very excited to finally share this incredible technology with you. The WD5 is built tough and smart, designed for peak performance and enhanced safety in demanding industrial settings. Its tough 2.06-inch fast refresh but energy efficient AMOLED display ensures readability in any light conditions. With an IP67 rating and a 1.5 metre drop resistance, it's more than ready to handle the bumps and drops of daily industrial life. We'll back up that claim with a 2 years manufacturer's warranty. But the WD5 is about so much more than just durability. The power inside the device includes an Android 13 operating system. And this all runs from a 2 GHz octa-core processor with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of flash memory, guaranteeing you seamless performance even under pressure. A camera and a barcode reader are integrated into the device for data capture applications. Capturing information real time requires a way to send that data to a host system, and for that, the Wi-Fi 6 gets the WD5 onto a network. Connected devices running the right applications can accomplish so many great tasks. Think task allocation, real-time machine monitoring alerts, instant defect reporting, hands-free task management, including, of course, scanning barcodes. Want to scan barcodes even faster? The Bluetooth 5.1 allows the WD5 to seamlessly integrate with Newland's Enwear ecosystem. Connect it wirelessly to our WD2 wearable barcode scanner and the WD4 ring scanner for even faster, more comfortable scanning in high-speed applications. And track and monitor and manage all those devices with Newland's Endeavour MDM solution. The WD5 also has built-in NFC to open a vast array of possibilities. Imagine streamlining access to restricted areas, speeding up payment transactions, or machine calibration with a simple tap. Point-of-sale access in hospitality could also be a potential use for NFC. The WD5, although small and feature-packed, is designed to be energy efficient to last 8 to 10 hours. It's powered by a good-size 1200 mAh battery that can be recharged with the cradle that comes in the box along with the USB-C cable. Other than the charging cradle and cable, the WD5 of course comes with a strap that is a standard 24mm. Alternatively to wearing the watch, you can use it like a very powerful companion scanner with a screen and accessorize it with a belt clip or a belt clip with a retractable reel. Our many and varied strategic partnerships with solution providers means the WD5 already has so many options and tools available to enhance it. With the right software, you can even count your steps. The WD5 isn't just a smartwatch, it's a complete connected solution designed to transform your business. Whether you're in logistics, manufacturing, healthcare, or any industry prioritizing efficiency, speed, and safety, the WD5 is ready to deliver. Productivity made simple. For more information on the WD5, visit our Newland website, watch our socials, or contact your local Newland sales representative or one of our amazing resellers.